Minista muviani wa muuo wa nthini Profesa Kithure Kindiki niwathingiliila kana silikali nikwosea matambya momu miao angangan'ya athukumi silikali na enenthi mekwikon'ya na syiko syakung'ia Itheka na muno isioni sya Athiriver, Kamulu na isioni ingi sy'kivathukanio. Kindiki ingi niwathingiliila kawa kukitana mbuki ngune mungu ondu muna ndawa syakumila ulote ikonyoni syonthe sya vanthi ya Kenya uthithela mituki ayumbula kana kuka kuvikia yu andumbe wa maana 3 mekitumbini kaunti ya Masaku nthini wa Masaku ula utwaiwe ni itui sya Useseei dan
ainena na andiki ma mauvo musiini wa Masaku itina utwaisya umbano na maofisa manza ma Useseei makaunti ino. Minista wa muvea wa muuo wa nthini silikalini nene Profesa Kithure Kindiki niwaelesya kana silikali ni kutumia vinya waguo wonthe kuminana na kola ala methitwe maithinia enenthi na angangan'ya wa Itheka na muno isioni sya mavoko na mawithiuluko na va kauntini ya Masaku dalesio na maofisa ala meukukonia na angangan'ya usu ni meosewa matambya momu miao.
We have a problem of land fraud in this county. Certain parts of this county, especially Athiriver, Mavoko, and the adjoining areas, Kamulu and others, where land fraudsters conniving and in cahoots with corrupted public officials have engaged in fraudulent issuance of title deeds that are not genuine, and therefore we are going also to come heavily to enforce the law to get rid of all organized criminal gangs that are terrorizing the people, including genuine landowners of private and public land.
Wengi Kindiki ni wonya ukani mvuko wa maofisa ma silikali mevo ateti ala methi metithe sya angangan'ya sukuosa mavalua maitheka machati dalesio namo ila meukwatikana meosewa matambyo tanzangili na kutumiwa matambya momu miao.
We know some of them are able to succeed because they are in cahoots with some crooked officials from the Ministry of Lands and the Survey of Kenya. Some are in cahoots with a few crooked law enforcement officials, including ngao officers and police officers. And therefore, we will categorize all the culprits, the land grabbers, the organized criminal gangs, the corrupted public officials, and the corrupted law enforcement officials. Will categorize them as one. They are all criminals, and we will get rid of these criminals in the shortest time possible.
Kukan'ya kawa kumina utumi muthuku wa mbuki ngune mungu ndumana ndawa sya kumila isioni syonthe sya nthi ya Kenya. Minista niwaelesya kana silikali nditia ivya yulu wa yingi ngina vala utumi usu uthela na usovya wa mbuki ngune mungu uthele na wetakana kuvikia vuu va Masaku andumbe wa maana 3 ni maminite kwikiwa mbini na ngalila syukonwa kukua mbuki isu onasyo ikamina kwikiwa mbini.
We are going to use all the security infrastructure that this country has to crush, defeat, and overcome those that are engaged in destroying future generations by enslaving our children in hard drugs and killer brews. And therefore, we have arrested nearly 300 people in the last 3 days. We have done 765 raids across Machakos County. We have apprehended motor vehicles that have been used to transport drugs and illicit, including counterfeit alcohol that is dangerous to public health.
Daniel Mwankela, Mutungu TV, kwanza wa ofisi wa County Commissioner katikati wa musie gwa Masaku.